outside in the garden. It was a sunny morning in the garden, and Milo the kitten was feeling curious as ever. Milo is lying on the grass, his big eyes watching a butterfly flitting around. Milo, excited, whispering to himself.
Wow! Look at that butterfly. It's so colorful. I have to see it up close.
Milo gets into a crouching position, ready to pounce. Milo tries to catch the butterfly. Milo dashed after the butterfly, but every time he got close, the butterfly flies up higher, just out of reach.
Oh no! How does it fly so high? I'll never catch it.
The butterfly pauses and floats down right in front of Milo. Butterfly. Gently, with a magical tone.
Hello, Milo.
Milo looks around, surprised, trying to find the source of the voice.
Huh? Did you just talk? Yes, Milo, I'm a magical butterfly. I've seen you try to catch me every day, so I thought it was time to say hello. Oh! I just wanted to play with you. I didn't know butterflies could talk. Well, most can't. But I can. And I'd love to play with you too.
Learning to chase the wind. The butterfly had an idea for a new kind of game.
Would you like to learn how to chase the wind, Milo? Yes, yes. How do I do it? Close your eyes and feel the breeze. Imagine you're flying with me, floating on the wind.
Milo took a deep breath and listened to the soft rustling of the leaves.
Wow! It feels like I'm flying. This is amazing. See? You don't have to leave the ground to chase the wind, Milo.
As the sun started to set, Milo opened his eyes. The butterfly floats back up into the sky.
Goodbye for now, Milo. I'll be back to play again soon. Goodbye, magical butterfly. Thank you for showing me how to fly.
The butterfly flies away, and Milo sits in the grass, purring contently. From that day on, Milo knew he didn't need to catch the butterfly. With a little magic and a lot of imagination, he could feel the wind and be as free as his new friend.